Alright guys, due to the weather conditions today, we are in a full-out blizzard. We left work early, so I'm going to get some more work done on the tractor. To wrap up the charging issue, you can see this is that pigtail that I added. We get our 12 volts now directly from the battery terminal on the alternator, and then this is a resistor and a diode in here that keeps that, that exciter wire in check. So that's what we needed to do to get rid of that resistor in the cab. That is now charging properly. I do need to snip this wire off and just tape it on the end because that is a 12 volt hot wire there. I could follow it back through that harness and unpin it in the connector. I might do that yet, we'll see. But that pretty well wraps up the charging system. I'm probably going to make just a down and dirty quick video for people that are maybe looking for something just for diagnostics purposes. Rather than entertainment, but that'll wrap that up. So thanks for watching, guys. Please leave a like, share, subscribe, and check back for more.